Okay, so here's this week's project, an animated steam engine. So as you can see, it makes one rotation and then stops for about 5 seconds. And then it makes another rotation. So what's happening here is the infrared LED and transistor are detecting 60 pulses in this wheel for one full cycle. However, that makes one full cycle for this wheel and so for the smaller wheel. In order to make the bigger wheel complete a full cycle, you need a little bit more than 1.5 turns of the smaller wheel. And so instead of detecting 60 pulses, this wheel spins around for 100, which is a little bit more than a rotation and a half. And as you can see, that causes one full rotation of the steam engine. Okay, and I'm gonna unplug it so that I can show you my board number, which is upside down, but it is 5.